We can use iron filings to visualize magnetic field lines. So what I have here is a container which contains iron filings in a suspension, and there's a hole down the middle where we can insert a bar magnet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake this to get a nice sort of uniform distribution of the iron filings, and then I'm going to insert a bar magnet and we're going to watch what happens. Here's an illustration of the magnetic field lines associated with the bar magnet. And so the iron filings in the solution will become magnetized and turn and align with the field lines so that you can get a visualization of the field lines. Of course, as time goes on, the filings will be drawn along the field lines and eventually accumulate at the pole regions. I'm going to insert this bar magnet, and you can see how the iron filings are lining up along the magnetic field lines, and then they're being drawn towards the poles.